Hello, so today I'm going to do a little show and tell. This is actually a gift that was given to me for Christmas 2017, this past Christmas, and I have actually used it because I had it all packaged up in the nice box as it came, and then I actually needed it in the kitchen, so I have used it so you can see what it looks like after it's been cleaned and used in the kitchen, but it is still in pretty good condition, but it was purchased new. This was a Christmas gift that I put on my Amazon wish list as a suggestion for my husband, or really anyone that wanted to buy me a Christmas gift for Christmas. And I really didn't put this brand or this particular one, but my husband got a little fancy and started shopping around on Amazon, which he is a very good online shopper, always reading the reviews and checking into the best quality, and he really loved, and I also loved the presentation of this gift as well. So you can see the brand is Jenaluca. And so I'll open it up and you'll see that the presentation is very fancy. It's very nice. It comes in this like blue velvet bag. It has the Jenaluca stitched on there. So I think this makes a really great gift, whether it's for a family member or a friend around Christmas time, or for a birthday, or would even make a great like housewarming gift or hostess gift. This typically runs about anywhere from like $17 to $21. So I'm gonna open it up. And this is the scooper, so you can tell that it's still in very good condition. I've only used it about 2 times, and it has worked very well. It's very quality. I had one of these previously, and it and my light just died. Oh, there it goes. Okay, I had one of these previously, and it was plastic, and it was like $1 from the Dollar Tree. So I feel like this one is going to last a whole lot longer. I think the battery is dying on this, and it's killing my video. Awesome. Yep, it's dead. So I'll speed this up a little bit, but I think presentation is everything, and I think it made it very special and a great gift. So oh, technical difficulties. Oh, I give up on it, but hopefully you still can see it well, because I'm a mom and I don't have a lot of time to record these things. My son is napping and my daughter is playing, so I'm gonna do my best to finish this up. But anyway, so there's lots of good information. Actually, I just looked at these cards. I should have looked at them earlier. So just a heads up if you make this purchase. It says, thanks for your purchase, and you can get a free cookie recipe ebook. So you can see there, you can email that, which I guess maybe I'm now giving the information away for somebody that hasn't purchased it. But so you could actually email there too before buying. But that's something that comes with your purchase. And then it also says lifetime guarantee. This is what I wish I would have looked at beforehand, because it says you must register for the guarantee within 30 days from the date of purchase. So just like my other little Dollar Tree one broke, it says they'll replace it or refund your purchase if they malfunction or break. So it's a lifetime guarantee. I'll always have one of these and not have to buy another one. Well, that is if they, I should go sign up for it right now because it says within 30 days, and it's definitely been past that for me. So that's what I get for not reading those cards. But this is the smallest one. I've used it for cooking for scooping cookie dough is what I like to use it best. It just helps, you know, where it just like scoops out, and then, you know, it comes up, the cookie dough comes out real easily. A lot of people use these for as a melon baller. I haven't used that yet, but I do have that option. But this is just a handy tool that I do love to have in my kitchen. So I suggest for you to also make this purchase as well. And if you're interested in some kind of item like this, whether it's for yourself or for a gift, because like I said, it is presented very well, then you can click the link in the description below. So please comment your thoughts on this gift and how you will use it, how you have used a small scoop like that, and or if you will get one for yourself or a gift, or what you thought about this video. And like I said, it comes in different sizes. So there's small, medium, large, extra large, jumbo. You can get a bigger one for scooping ice cream, and you can eventually get yourself the whole set. So thanks for listening, and may the adventures lie ahead bring you joy, growth, and experiences that make you the best teacher and mom God created you to be. Have a happy day.